Mailchimp marketing tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you email marketing using Mailchimp, how you can create your own professional email marketing campaigns, automate your business, reach your audience, and grow your business online using Mailchimp. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up mailchimp.com and you will land on this platform right here. Mailchimp is all-in-one platform that allows you to do marketing, especially email marketing, and you can create your own professional email marketing campaigns. We can also create our own landing pages now. We can automate our marketing and grow our business very efficiently using Mailchimp. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let me show you around. I will get you to the dashboard and show you how to create an email using Mailchimp. So you simply sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or your Google account. Once you do that, then you will get your own dashboard. There is a free version available as well, so you can use that or get a free trial for any of the paid version. So this is my dashboard right here, and you can see we have our own very professional dashboard with all of these different features. We have audience right here. In audience, we can create different contacts and we can create tags, segments, surveys, and inbox is also found in this option. Then we have campaigns. This is where we will be working. This is where we create emails for our marketing campaigns. Then we also get a lot of different templates that I will just show you in a minute. We also get the automation option. In automation, we will be getting our transactional emails, retargeting ads, and postcards. Then we have our own website that allows us to create our own landing page within Mailchimp. Then we have our own content studio and integrations. Integrations, of course, allow us to integrate any of our favorite applications to our Mailchimp so that we can customize our Mailchimp experience. We will, check them out one by one, all of these different options. So before we get into creating an email, let me actually show you how you create a contact. What you have to do is simply go to all contacts right here. And in here we have audience. You can see add contact, and we can simply go ahead and import any of our list from any other CRM platform that we have. We can also create tags for different contacts in order to organize them and kind of like arrange them into different tags according to whatever we are dealing with. Then we have segments and surveys as well, so we can get an insight to our business, how we are doing. We can create surveys for our campaigns and we can create surveys for our subscribers that we have. And to create an email marketing campaign, what you have to do is you will go to campaigns right here, and in campaign you will find the option of create campaign right here above your screen, and we will be able to create our own regular email or email marketing campaign or a landing page as well. So creating anything will be very similar because it has a very a simple drag and drop editor for us to create a landing page or even to create an email. So let's create a regular email right here. I will click on design email, and then it will take me to my next steps. So this is where I will be adding the title for my email. So let's call it test. Click on save. Then we have to, from, subject, and content. So in to, you will be adding your recipients, but you will add your subscribers list, your newly added, whatever recipients you want to add. Then we have from, and in from we actually create our own footer for our email. You can simply add your name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in my name, and I can simply add my email address right here, and this is going to be from. I will simply click on save. This will be saved. After that, we have subject, and to add a subject you will simply click on add subject. So this email is again a test email that I'm creating. So for the subject, again, I'm just going to write the word test, and this is going to be the preview text. Simply click on save. Your subject will be added. Now the next step is going to be you're designing your email. Simply click on design email, and then you have to select from email builders. So I'm going to go with a classic one that has all the features and tools for us. us, and it will finally take us to choose from different templates right here if we want to, or we can go from the scratch as well. With template, it becomes really easy. So my email is going to be for selling products, so I'm going to select this one, and we are inside our editors. This is where I will be creating my email. And what we can do is, you can see right here, now I have a template. I can simply customize the logo, and to add a logo, you simply click right here. Then you're gonna click on image, upload an image from your computer, or maybe select from your drive. When it comes to adding contents to our email, we simply select different contents from here. We can add text, we can add dividers, image card, share, footer, social, follow, buttons, and videos. So that's how it works. So simple drag and drop. Let's say that I want to add an image, so I will drag it and drop it wherever I want to. Let's drop it here. And you can see now I have another section on my email. Then I'm just going to go ahead and maybe add a divider. So I'm going to drag it and drop it right here, and a divider will be added. So that's how simple it is to create an email right here on Mailchimp. Similarly, I can edit the text, of course. You simply click on this pencil right here, and this is the text that's written. These are my products. Okay. Click on save. Now we have this text right here. I can customize it. I can make it bold. I can change the font, the size. The size is actually pretty small, so I will actually increase it to 24. There you go. Now the size is better. So that's how you simply add different elements to your email. You simply drag and drop, and you can, delete a section if you want to. Let's delete this button. Simply click on delete. It's deleted. To add different images, this is the footer that has been set. To add socials, you simply click right here again on the edit option, and you can see now I will be able to add the link for my Facebook right here. This is like the basic URL, but you will add the link for your Facebook, your Instagram, your website, and that is how we simply add socials to our emails. After that, we can style it. Whenever you select any of the elements, you can actually change the style for that. For example, we have header, so I can go to header, and it will allow me to change the background, the border top, the border bottom, and everything. Text, I can change anything. So that's how we simply do it. Then we have comments, and we can also add comments to our email. So once you've added all of the different elements, like, it's really easy. Simple drag and drop, and you edit everything out. So once you're done, you can simply click on continue, and after that, the next step is going to be, of course, creating an email. It has been created, and you will be able to find it right here in campaigns. And when you will go to campaigns, in all campaigns, you will be able to find the campaigns that you have already created. Similarly, creating the website is going to be really similar. And you can also create your store now with your Mailchimp, and you can also get a domain name. So that's like a really big step to our marketing when it comes to creating a landing page or a store. Then we have, of course, our automation option, and in automation we will be getting our own transactional emails, retargeting ads that actually help us improve our marketing. So if we're talking about Mailchimp, it's all in one platform with all of these different features for us to create our own email marketing campaigns, emails, landing pages, and we can also create our own surveys. We can create our website so that we can actually run a successful business, and we can do marketing. So if you're asking me that if Mailchimp is the right choice for you for your marketing, then I would definitely say yes, it is. You will find all of the right options, and you will be able to create a landing page, emails within your Mailchimp. As I showed you, it's very easy. Then we have our own automation option. We have our own audience. In audience, you can create everything you want to. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create marketing campaigns, emails with Mailchimp, how to use Mailchimp for your marketing to grow your business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.